Hello and welcome to another Do It All Yourself guide video. Today is going to be a quick Windows tip on something that's actually very common related to Bluetooth devices and removing them. So I have the same device here. As you can see, there are multiple copies of the same device. This is my MX Master 3S mouse. Love this mouse. But as you can see, I have 3 copies of the same thing, and I have attempted to remove the ones that I don't believe are actually active. So as you can see, one here is connected and then 2 are paired. It's the same device. First of all, to get your settings, you could go type settings and it will open up the settings window, or you could possibly also just go to your search bar, type Bluetooth and other devices, and you will see this show up. So on this menu, you'll see multiple copies. If you have multiple copies, you can click on one, click remove device, confirm that you want to remove it. It'll attempt to remove it, but oftentimes the removal actually fails. So you'll end up having stale devices in your list that you cannot remove. As you can see, remove has failed. So the fix for this is actually pretty simple. The reason why you're not able to remove these devices is because they are stuck in the Windows Device Manager. So let's try to get those devices removed. Go to your search, type Device Manager. Okay, so with Device Manager open, expand the Bluetooth list. Now here's the trick. Click on View and click on Show Hidden Devices. When you do that, you'll see a bunch of grayed out Bluetooth devices that are stale, right? As obviously I have quite a few stale Bluetooth devices, but here I am. I can find the 3 copies of the MX Master 3S mouse. One is active, it's darker blue, and 2 are grayed out, lighter blue, that I'm trying to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that and click uninstall device. That should actually uninstall it. And as you can see, as soon as I uninstalled one of these devices, it removed them from the Bluetooth list. I'll do the same thing for the other. And here you go. So I removed the 2 stale devices and I'm now left with the actual Bluetooth device that I'm using. Another tip, this is actually a very common Windows thing. This does not just apply to Bluetooth devices. It actually applies to any device in Windows that may have multiple copies. Now you might wonder, why is there multiple copies of the same device? Now in my case, I have multiple copies because I've actually changed the underlying hardware. I've built a new PC, I changed the motherboard and the processor, and I simply took the same hard drive from my old computer to my new computer. Keeping the same hard drive caused this issue. I've got a different hardware pairing in Bluetooth. So when I repaired my MX Master 3S mouse, it came up with a different pairing, but the previous 2 stuck around. So that's how you remove all stale devices in Device Manager. You simply go to Show Hidden Devices and remove the ones that are grayed out. Be careful when you do that. Sometimes it is grayed out because that device is simply not connected. But if you know that you have 3 copies of the same device and you actually only have one single device, then you can go ahead and remove the stale ones like we did here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.